That's a birdie. His name is Wally. He is my pet. Hey, Wally, what's going on? Just got him today. His cage. He has a mirror right there. There's his mirror. This thing for his beak. You're spoiled, aren't you? He's looking at me like, what's that? He is a budgie. He's also got his little swing there. So, yeah. His name comes from the French word vol, which means fly. That's why he has that name, because he's a bird. And he's amazing. And it was a bird name. He's kind of looking at his mirror like, who's that? It's you, Wally. It's you. Anyway, that's really all. Budgie. Named Wally. The end.